My name is Richard. This video I'm going to teach you how to get a free host. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Click on the bell as well so that when I post any new video, you'll be able to get a notification. So let's dive in. Here you have to search for infinityfree.com. Once you search for infinityfree.com on your browser, once it opens, you could see on this section it gives you free. So let's register. So you click on the register now. Once you click on register now, wait for it to load. Over here you need to enter your email address. So fixing any of your emails, let's choose any email. Okay, so fixing our email here as it is stated out. So what we do after that, you have to enter your password. So you can just enter your password. Once you enter your password, it will ask you for confirm password. Then you have to repeat the same password again. So once you're done, you click on, you have to check I have read and agreed the terms, then check the both that you are not a robot. Then once you are registered, you have to check your email. There is a link or a button that will be sent to that email you used to register. So let's log into our email to see. Now once you log in, you could see they've sent us a notification. Open the email that they sent you. So you can choose to click on verify email address or use the link down there. So let's use the link down there. Once we click on the link, it will open. Now here is the panel. That's their dashboard for the hosting. You see we have home, profile, account, free SSL or certificate. That's those who need free SSL. You can also merge it with over there. So we can go to profile, then let's fix in our forum name. Then we also first let's enable two-factor authenticator. So we are going to enable the two-factor authenticator to make our accounts more secure. So right here it is asking you to repeat to enter your password. So we enter, wait for it to load so that we can enable the two-factor authentication. Okay, so over here I'm going to use Google Authenticator app. So I'll have to scan with my phone. So once I scan with my phone, it will give me authentication code to pick the name and give me authentication code. So that's the authentication code is where I'm going to enter here. Once I'm done, I click on enable two-factor authentication. Then I'm done. Now you could see there is a code over there. You can copy it or take a screenshot of it and keep it for future reference. So I'll click I have stored that code. Now let's enter our forum username. This is the place you have to enter your forum username. Oops, it seems we have someone using this name already, so let's change it. Great, voila, we are in. So we've enabled our two-end authentication, and we've also rename the forum name username as well. So let's move to account. Now over here you are going to create now here is where you can see the free SSL. So over here when you click on it, it will ask you to enter your domain. So should you have a new domain or you already have your domain, you can enter it here, then access a free SSL certification. But let's go back, let's create our free domain, which is a subdomain. So actually you could see they have a free version here. They give you 5 GB data space, unlimited broadwidth, then unlimited hosted domains, meaning you can host more. And the other one, so you could see the other packages as well. So we choose the free one. So we are proceeding by checking I'm not able. Now, over here is the subdomain that we are using, not real domain. So if you have a domain, you can enter it as I told you. If you already have your domain, if you already have your domain, you can fix in your domain by changing the DNS. Now over here you can see multiples of domain extensions that we can use as in for subdomain. So once we've given our subdomain name, we can choose any. So I prefer us to choose the rf.gnd. So I choose this one, I click on check, then over here copy this password, or rather if you prefer you can change it, but I prefer to copy it somewhere. You will need it, then click on I have approved in your email, that email section. So let's click on create account. Now we are done with it. Now you see it gives us a button to open our control panel. So let's open the control panel in a new tab, waiting for it to load. Now we've entered our, it said to notify you of changes to services, what blah 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 blah. So click on approve, then you're good to go. Wait for it to load. Now this is your C panel. So you can see the subdomain is created. You can create multiples of them, as many as you want. Now this is our control panel. If you choose to use site builder, you can go in to click on edit website. Now over here you can patronize your domain. If you don't have domain and you want to buy a domain, you can patronize your domain here. So down here you could see there are other tools. Down you can see all these tools, just like you always see it on your cPanel. Now we have the software specular. So let's use that one. You click on that one to be able to give you access to top scripts where we have to install the WordPress. So you are going to, this is the domain we use, that's the subdomain. So instead of it to be HTTP, we are going to change it to HTTPS. So let's change it to HTTPS. Now on the directory, I will prefer you leave it like that without putting anything, so you could see only one domain that we have. So over here I prefer you leave it like that, don't put anything. Now over here you can choose the version of WordPress you want, so let's leave it as it is for the current version we have. Then over here you could see admin username. You can fix in your username, fix in your admin password. Then you can check this one, check that one if you want. Then I prefer to leave them like that. Then you could see site name, then site description you can choose to fix in. Then you can see in advance. Now over here I believe you could leave it like that. This is your database, so I prefer you leaving it like that without touching anything. Now select theme. Now there are multiples of themes here you can choose from, free themes that you can choose from. Once you select those themes that you prefer, then you click on install. then you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment as well. I really appreciate. Thank you.